Pocket Fridge even comes included with solar panels along the top of it. All you have to do to charge it is to take out the backpack and place it upright. With the Pocket Fridge in the sun, it would only take 1 hour to fully charge and has a battery life of 12 hours. We use solar panels instead of only having to be able to connect to a wall or gas powered because this is meant to be used outdoors. We shouldn't have to waste time inside waiting for it to be good to go and fully charged. Also, if you're out backpacking, this is a great item to have because anytime you are going to be away from a city or a town for a long period of time, you can enjoy all your cold stuff won't be used up in the first day or two. With the Pocket Fridge, you can now enjoy cold or chilled items with no worry at all because of solar power technology. Also, if you have items that you would like to be warmed, you can keep them warm either throughout the entire trip or start heating them up 10 to 15 minutes before a stop or rest. Additionally, solar power is environmentally friendly. We wouldn't want you to be lugging around something that is polluting the environment and possibly causing harm to you and others. The idea of having a gas-powered Pocket Fridge is difficult because if the fridge were to fall over, it could cause some serious problems or damage. You would also have to refill this, and unless you have a gas station nearby, it wouldn't be completely useless to have it, as it would be run out of power very quickly. According to National Geographic, petroleum produces a high amount of carbon dioxide. If the Pocket Fridge was gas powered and in a backpack, this would be very bad and lead to numerous amount of problems, and that we wouldn't want to go into. And according to VivintSolar.com, they say that solar technology has a positive effect on mankind's health, as it produces non-toxic air that will harm you. This combined with the small weight it has makes it very friendly to use. Lastly, the Pocket Fridge comes included with the USB ports along the top of the room. This can be used for charging your phone, a laptop, or even a portable battery. We know that you can't go without your phone, so we made sure you never have to worry about it running out of juice on a long trip. If you're with your friends, you can even connect. If you're with your friends, you can even connect to the Pocket Fridge, as it lastly doubles over as a speaker. Either you can bring your own, you can hook up to it via Bluetooth or through an aux cable. Now you can be complete with everything else while always having a DJ with you. And the best part about it is that you will never need to worry about the battery dying on you. With all these solutions, you will never have to worry about a good cooler or even a charger for your phone.